Hello and welcome, everyone. This session is on improving your business English and, in particular, business English for customer success or customer service success. Oh, I'm going to share with you today simple, practical ways to communicate more clearly, sound more confident, and handle difficult customer situations with less stress. Even if English is not your first language, which I'm assuming it is not, if you're listening to this session, you can use these strategies right away in emails, chats, and live conversations with customers. Language barriers shouldn't stop you from delivering excellent service. Strong business English helps you communicate clearly, solve problems faster, and make customers feel respected. So, with that, let's get started with today's session, Confident Business English for Stress-Free Customer Conversations by Master English Communication. First up, why does it even matter? Why business English matters? Well, for one, you build trust. Two, clear communication creates customer confidence and safety. Three, solve problems. And four, explain solutions step by step effectively. Five, show professionalism. And six, represent your company with confidence. Business English is more than just vocabulary and grammar. It is the language you use to do these things. So when your English is clear, customers feel safe and respected, and they're more willing to listen to your solutions. So by improving your business English, this will help you avoid misunderstandings, reduce complaints, and create more positive customer experiences. When customers feel understood, they become more patient, cooperative, and loyal. Good language skills are part of your professional toolkit. Now let's take a look at practice active listening. What does it mean? It means you focus on the customer, not just waiting to speak. Listen to words, tone, and emotion. An example of this in action. A client is screaming, "This app never works." The real issue might be one feature or some type of login problem. So ask, can you tell me when this problem usually happens? All right. Active listening means this, that you're paying full attention to the customer's words, tone, and emotions. Instead of thinking about your answer, you focus on understanding their real problem. You can use short phrases like, "I see," "I understand," and "Can you tell me more?" to show you are listening. When customers feel heard, they relax and it becomes easier to find the right solution together. Use clear and simple language. Avoid jargon. Technical terms confuse customers who aren't experts or technology people themselves. Keep it simple. Short sentences and simple words are professional and effective. Give you an example. This is something complex that you do not want to do. We are experiencing a temporary technical disruption on our back-end servers. You do not want to do this, overly complex. Instead, be clear. Our system is having a temporary problem right now, but we are working on it. Notice that lets the customer know the same thing you said previously, but in this case, it's very clear and to the point in language they can understand. Clear language saves time, reduces confusion, and makes you sound more professional. Using positive language. Focus on what you can do, not what you can't. Positive language changes the entire conversation. Instead of, I can't do that. No, that's not possible. Instead, try, here is what I can do for you. That option isn't available, but we can offer this instead. Powerful phrases such as, let me see what I can do, I'd be happy to help you, thank you for your patience, go a long way towards having a conversation that is stress-free for the client and in the end, stress-free for you as well, right? Positive language can quickly change the mood of a conversation, right? This way, you actually gain control of the conversation in a positive way for you and in a positive way for the customer. Now we want to look at showing empathy to build trust. But first, what is empathy? Good question. It is you showing you understand and care about customer feelings. Empathy phrases. I understand how frustrating that must be. I'm sorry this happened. Let's fix it together. I can see why you're upset. Let me help you. These phrases show respect without taking blame for everything. Very, very important. Shows respect without taking blame for everything. Empathy reduces tension and helps you work as a team with the customer. Develop cultural awareness. If you're serving a global market, global customers require understanding and a different communication style depending on their culture and where they live. So they're going to have slightly, or in some cases, dramatically different expectations. And the way to spot this or to understand this is it a direct versus indirect cultural environment? Some cultures value directness. In the United States, our culture values directness. In other environments, they're not going to value that same type of directness. They're going to instead prefer softer, indirect communication. Stay open and respectful. Speak clearly, avoid jokes that don't translate. Be patient with non-native speakers. Build understanding. When both sides try their best, communication becomes easier and pleasant. Right? So remember, if you work with international customers, you will meet many different communication styles. Some customers prefer it direct, while others prefer it softer. One bit of advice is to avoid jokes or slang that may not translate well. When you respect cultural differences, you avoid misunderstandings and create smoother, more comfortable conversations. Write professional emails, right? You want to start with a friendly greeting, such as Dear Ms. Lopez or Hello, Mark. Short introduction. Thank you for contacting us about. Main message. Explain the situation or solution in short paragraphs. I actually prefer a short paragraph and then followed by bullet points, but everyone is a little different. But the one thing everyone agrees on are the short paragraphs. The clear next step, please let me know if this solves the problem. You want the feedback from the customer. And a polite closing. Best regards or kind regards. Remember, avoid slang, emojis, and casual language. Always check spelling and grammar before sending. A well-written email shows customers that you are organized, serious, and respectful of their time. Practice with role playing. Role-playing builds confidence and makes real conversations. Choose common scenarios. Wrong product received. Angry customer regarding a delay. A special request or discount. Practice both roles. Make sure the shoe is on both feet, as we say in English. Take turns being customer and agent friendly with colleague or friend. All right. And when I say agent friendly, I mean being friendly. All right. And then record and review. Ask yourself, do I sound calm, clear, and polite? Right. Each time you practice, you will sound more natural and confident. So real customer conversations feel easier and less stressful. If you haven't done so yet and you're enjoying the content, please press the like button. We'd appreciate it. Keep learning and applying. This is a journey. The more you use these skills, the more natural they become. Have a weekly focus strategy. My suggestion, choose 1 to 2 skills each week. Week 1, positive language. Week 2, clearer emails. Week 3, active listening. Small, consistent improvements lead to big results. Just remember, with regular practice, you will notice that your customer conversations become more professional, more effective, and much more stress-free. Your professional advantage, well, clearly, clear communication. Right? Express ideas simply and effectively. Active listening. Understand real customer needs. Empathy. Build trust and reduce tension. Cultural awareness. Connect with global customers where they in the area they are comfortable. And professional writing. Create polished, clear emails. Okay? The more you expose yourself to natural language, the more confident and automatic your speaking and writing will become. You're not just learning a language. Just remember this. You're building exceptional customer service skills and business English skills as well. And lastly, try it today. Apply these tips in your next customer interaction and notice results. Listen carefully, explain clearly, speak with respect. These habits will transform your customer service performance and support your long-term business success. Thank you for joining this session. I wish you many clear, confident, and stress-free customer conversations in your future. And please do like, share, subscribe, and comment. It helps us help you. Take care, everyone.